Welcome. In this video, we will number with letters, or rather, we will number with a combination of a letter followed by a number. We will begin by opening a DL job, 210 mm wide by 99 mm high. Next, we select the number option, followed by the unstacked numbering option. Note, a small checkbox appears to the right of the leading text field. When the letter numbering view opens, we will enter our numeral width, and in this case we will use a single letter as the leading text. We will leave the numbers per set at 100 and we will print 6 sets. This will give us 600 numbers. The first set of 100 will be preceded by the letter A, then the next set by the letter B, and so on. We then position our numbers using the number position and style options as with any other numbering job. When we are satisfied with our style and position, we will go ahead and impose the job. And as usual, our imposition opens in our default PDF application. If we need a different imposition arrangement or sequence, the solution is to impose the job back onto the original or a PDF of the original size. So simply double check the dimensions in the top right corner, choose the custom size option, and enter a width and height to match. Ensure your width is large enough to accommodate the size imported. If not, you may need to enter a small value in the crop settings, as we have done here. And in this case, our imposed job simply opens one up. The advantage of this approach is that we can now reimpose this using any one of the available stacking options. So next, we will open our impose one-up job within the application. Note the page range is now 1 to 600. Here we will select the Proof Radio button, then followed by the SO or stacking options button. Select the Enable Stacking and Single-Sided options. Then simply click the Impose Artwork button, and as you can see, our stacked job is now open with all A's in the top left corner, B's underneath, C's on the bottom row, and so on. So in this tutorial, I've explained how to number a job using a combination of a single letter followed by our numbers. We could, of course, have used multiple letters followed by our number sequence. For more information, I invite you to check out a set of related short videos on digitalprintsoftware.com. Thank you.